Hi, I'm Anita Potter from Needles and Hooks, and today we're going to discuss plans for our 2025 temperature blankets, both the crochet and the knit version. Now, there are tutorials for left and right-handed for the crochet version and a tutorial for the knit version, and I'll leave those links in the description below. So today I'm just going to go over the colors that I've chosen, as well as looking at the files for the crochet version. It's a little difficult to do a template file for the knit version because of how it's going to be constructed. So I couldn't really figure out a good way to show it. So we're going to just work from there and let's get on with it. So I have a file with my list of colors, and I purchased Big Twist for all of it except for the border color, which is black. And I also got gray for the crochet border, but I failed to bring it over here. So we're going to go over the colors for the temperatures. Now, the temperature for 100, and I'm working in Fahrenheit. You can work in Celsius or Kelvin if you wish. And you can make your own color choices. These are the ones I'm going to go with for both of them. So for 100 degrees and up, I have got deep red. And I bought two of these because I'm doing two blankets and I'm not sure if I'm going to use them both or not. So that's why I bought them in sets of two. So that's 100 and up is the deep red. 90 to 99 Fahrenheit is varsity red. Even though this looks really bright. This is varsity red, right? I think this, yeah, this is varsity red. Over there it's showing it as like a hot pink. It's varsity. It's actually, it's red. Trust me. For 90 to 99. And the next one is 80 to 89 is Diva Pink. Next up, 70 to 79 is Orange. 60 to 69 is Varsity Gold. Make sure I just show it this way. Varsity Gold. 50 to 59 is Varsity Yellow. 40 to 49. Oh no, bag just broke. That's fine. We can handle this. Is in purple. Just set those skeins by themselves in there. 30 to 39 temperatures is lilac. And 20 to 29, varsity blue, right here. Temperatures 10 to 19, light blue. Temperatures 0 to 9 is ivory. And temperatures 0 and under will be white. And those are my color choices. My border color will be black. And I used Red Heart Super Saver for it. I bought a pack of 6 skeins for this. And I've already got one in use for the crochet version of the temperature blanket. And I also purchased two, I think it was the Jumbo, Red Heart Super Saver Jumbo in a light gray, in a gray color that I failed to bring over to the desk. So that's going to be the surround around the crocheted temperature blanket. This color will not be used in the knit version. The black will be the border for the knit version. And this color will be for the blank days. The parts of the calendar that don't have a date on them will be in black. and the days will be put together, crocheted together with the black yarn. And I'm going to show you the file for that. Let me open it up real quick. And this is what the temperature that you're going to get in the file. I'll leave a link in the description below. Let me zoom this out a little bit. There we go. This is included in the zip file along with a calendar PDF file where you can write your temperatures down. You can print out that calendar and write your temperatures down on that. I can't print mine out, so I'm going to be using a notebook to put my temperatures in. So this is the gray border around. This is the gray border. The black is the blank dates. The pink ones are the dates in there. So that's that file. I couldn't really show the knit version because of the way it's going to be done. It's going to be done in columns and then sewn together as we go. And that basically takes care of this. Let me open up my file so I can tell you how many colors, the number of blank days. You'll choose a color, whatever color you want for your blank days. I chose black. There will be a total of 139 blank blocks. Now there'll be 365 for the color blocks. For the temperature blocks, it'll be 221 gray blocks for a total of 725 total blocks in that blanket. So that's a lot of blocks. I've gotten the blank and the border blocks done for the January, February, and March. I haven't done any more for like any of the other months because I'm going to start those. Once I finish a month, I will start making those blank and border blocks for the next month. That way I have them and I can just put them together as I go. So that's basically all what's going on for this. I will leave links in the description for you to get the files and so you can download and use them if you want to follow along with me. You don't have to follow along with me. You could choose whatever design you would like to do. This is just what I'm doing, just in case anybody would like to follow what I'm doing and make their own temperature blanket like how I'm doing it. So that's all I have for this video. I look forward to starting this temperature blanket on January 1st, which is, what day is that on? That would be on a Wednesday. So yay! 20-something days from now, this is when we're going to start. So gather your supplies, figure out how you're going to put yours together, and let's spend a year making a project. It's going to be fun. It's going to be great. It is a year-long commitment. So we can do this. We got this. All right, that's all I've got for today for this, and we'll start back up on January 1st. Well, actually, the first video will drop probably January 5th because I need to do that week first, and then we'll show through it. So let me know if you've figured out how you're going to do your temperature blanket. How are you going to make more than one? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.